Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about the Zoom web client. Before we talk about that anymore, we want to focus on just what the difference between the desktop client and the web client is. So by default, when you join a meeting and come on this page and click the Open Zoom Meetings, that's going to launch the desktop client, and that is the platform on your computer that manages and controls the Zoom meetings that you have. Now, there are times where you might run into issues where whether the desktop client doesn't launch or you run into an error. The web client is a secondary way for you to access your Zoom meetings. So to access the web client, we're going to go and click Cancel and click this Launch Meeting. Notice we get this pop-up again, but now there's also been a statement that's been added having issues with the Zoom client, and we're going to click Join from your browser. Once I click on join from your browser, I'll go ahead and join my audio by computer. And you can see that the Zoom feature has launched, but we're launching it within the browser. So I'm currently using Chrome, and I can see that in the address bar, there's the Zoom meeting, and then there's a WC to indicate that I'm in the web client. Couple things to note is most of the foundational things that you need as far as your camera, microphone. You can see that as a host, you're still able to have your breakout rooms and polls and be able to share screen. But some of those functions will be different because we are in the web client and it is a limited version compared to the desktop client. Once you're done with your meeting and have joined, you can go ahead and click End Meeting. And then to help you resolve your desktop client issues, if you're getting a constant error message and you're not able to get it resolved, let me go ahead and show you where you can go to reach help from the Zoom support. So if I go to Zoom, or excuse me, if I go to support.zoom.us, I'm going to go down here to contact support and then go to web ticket, and then you can submit this request. Notice that there's technical support, and then I can provide the issues about my desktop client and have someone from Zoom support be able to reach back and provide assistance.